So if you're doing anything online, business related, you probably know that email marketing is one of the most profitable ways to generate revenue. Big brands do it. You might be getting emails from big brands. There is really, no business in the world that doesn't utilize email marketing. It's very, very lucrative. So my goal inside this training, guys, is to take you through how to actually do emails and stuff like that, because in a lot of my videos I talk about email marketing and stuff, but I don't actually show you how to do it. So I'm going to show you that step by step. We're going to find what we call a lead magnet. I'll explain that in a second. We're going to go through building in an opt-in form. I'll explain what that is as well. And then we're going to set up some emails. I'll show you how to do all that. And then we're going to talk about how to send traffic to your email marketing forms. So this is going to be a pretty in-depth, over-the-shoulder video, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to learn about email marketing and stuff, this video is going to be perfect for you. So number one, guys, what is a lead magnet? Some of you guys might have heard that term before. A lead magnet is when you give away something for free in exchange for information, for example, an email. Now, if you want to grow your list fast, this is a must. You must have a lead magnet. You must give away something for free to get information, because gone are the days where you say, hey, subscribe to my email list. Why should people subscribe to you? So give away something for free. Number one, you can either write your own ebook, you can do a video training, you can do a webinar, all of those things. So this is one of the books that I give away. However, guys, if you're stuck and you don't know what to give away, you can go to websites like idplr.com, and these guys have ebooks, softwares, videos, graphics. You can actually go and purchase these for like $30, $40 a book, I think, and you can actually use these books yourself to give away for free as a lead magnet, okay? So you don't have to create your own content, or you can pay someone to do some content for you if you like. These guys have books and stuff in every single niche online. So it is really important, guys, to make sure you have a lead magnet, because that's what you're going to give away to people to build up your email list, okay? Now, what we're going to talk about now, guys, is actually building your form. So a form is something that looks like this, where you have a bit of a title, you have some information, and you tell people what they're going to get, and then they go to the button, and then they get access to whatever you're giving away for free. In this example, I'm giving away a 4-day training series. That's my free content, and at the end, I'm pitching something and they purchase, and then I make money that way. So in this particular example, guys, I'm using a program called ClickFunnels, and we're not going to be using that in this video, but I use a program called ClickFunnels to collect emails, and I also use a program called Thrive Architect to ClickFunnels to collect emails as well. Okay, so I've actually got copies of my best converting opt-in pages for Thrive Architect and ClickFunnels. I'll leave them below and you can get those if you like. However, in this training, guys, we're going to be using a software called GetResponse. This is the email marketing platform that I use. This is responsible for millions of dollars in revenue for me and people that I also know. And we're going to be actually creating an opt-in form on this program. Because I know that a lot of you guys are beginners, you might not have the money for ClickFunnels and stuff like that, even though I do recommend you use a program like that, or Thrive Architect, if you want to get a little bit more serious with doing your opt-in pages. So guys, we're going to be kind of building something like this. It won't be exactly like this, but it'll be similar. So GetResponse, guys, does everything: email marketing, opt-in pages, landing pages, webinars, and all sorts of good stuff, okay? So you can get this down below, guys. There's a 30-day trial. And this is, I suppose this is kind of a GetResponse review as well. I'll be taking you through how it all works, guys, because when you're doing email working online, you need to have the right tools, okay? So this is what we're going to be using inside this training, and it's extremely cheap. That's why I like using this, and it's very, very easy to use. So we have just gone over, guys, find a lead magnet. And now we're going to jump into building your opt-in form. And like I said, I use GetResponse for doing that in my online business. So guys, once you get onto GetResponse on your 30-day trial, if that's what you want to use, you will come to a screen that looks similar to this. Now, they used to have an old version you might be used to. This is the new version, so I'm a little bit, getting used to it again. But this is what you will have in front of you, right? And then we'll have contacts, email marketing, automation, landing pages, webinars, forms and surveys, and CRM, which is more business stuff. You don't really need to worry about that. Now, once you log in, guys, you're going to have these guys have lots of tutorials. So if you get stuck on how to use it, you can also watch their tutorials. But step number one, guys, is you need to create a list. So to create a list, guys, you want to go to contacts, okay? And you want to go to create a list. Now, what I like about this program, guys, is they have a thing called list hygiene. I just did this yesterday, actually. And you can clean out all of your bad leads, people that don't open your stuff anymore. This is a really, really easy platform to use, and I'll go through everything in a second. So you want to go to create list, guys, and you just want to name your list. So I'm just going to name this YouTube test video. Now, you can't use capitals and you can't use spaces, okay? And then just go to create. And this is going to create your first email list. It's very easy to do. Now what we're going to do, guys, is go back to the little envelope on the left here. We're going to go to our screen, okay? And I'm going to take you through how to do emails and automation in a second. But what we need to do now is actually create what we call our opt-in form, where we're going to collect the emails. Now, like I said, I would recommend using something like ClickFunnels or Thrive Architect. If you know what these are, I will leave my templates below. However, we can do it inside of GetResponse if you're just starting and you don't want to spend the money on the other programs. So we're going to go to landing pages, guys. You want to make sure you go to landing pages and not forms or surveys. There's a reason why. It just works better. And then you want to go to create landing page on the right. Okay, so this is where you're going to manage all of your contacts, all of your email lists. Now, the reason, guys, marketers use email marketing, they build an email list, is because we can import those contacts. When you do Facebook Messenger bot and stuff like that, you can't do that, so you don't actually have control over the list. Now, I actually lost one of my Messenger bots recently and lost 20,000 people on that list. So email marketing will always win. It will always make money for businesses. So, guys, there's lots of templates you can choose from. You can do build from scratch, and there's all of these templates here. So, I'm actually just going to pick a general one here. We'll just use one as a bit of a base, obviously, because I'm not going to sit here and make one from scratch. We'll be here for a super long time. So I'm going to try and find one with a book. Okay, guys, so what I've done is I've found one with a book. So let's just pretend that you have a free book you want to give away. Okay, you have to be giving something away for free. This is critical. Okay, I give away all sorts of things: webinars, free trainings, books, all sorts of things. So I like this one here, guys. This is in the download section. I'm going to go to select template. Okay, very easy to do. And then I'm just going to name this YouTube test video. Okay, you can put spaces here and stuff, as far as I know, and then go to use template. And then you can also edit the thank you page as well. Now, I highly recommend, guys, with the thank you page is if you have any social media accounts, put your social media accounts on the thank you page and ask people to subscribe to you. That's how I get a lot of subscribers on a lot of my social media platforms. Okay, so guys, this is a very, very simple template. You can edit all of this. Look at it. You can just move everything around. You should be able to move that around. No, that's duplicate. I don't actually use this, so I'm pretty bad at it. I use ClickFunnels, but you can do things like drag videos in, put them wherever you like. That obviously doesn't look very good. But you get the point, right? And you can change all of this stuff here, guys, and everything is very, very easy to do. And you can change the title, the cover of the title. Oh, what do we do there? Okay, we messed something up. Let me see if I can get that back. Okay, guys, I got that back. Now, on the right side, you have all of the things where you can add in some text if you like. So you can drag some text in. And you can really just place everything anywhere you like, right? So I'm not going to take you through actually how to create this form because it's very easy. It would really just depend on what you want to do, but I recommend pausing the screen and just doing something like this. This converts the best for me. I get around about 70% conversion rates on this. That means for every 100 people I send, I get over 70 emails, which is incredibly good. Usually it's around about 30% in this industry. Even less, 20% I've seen. So that's really, really good. So just do something really basic like this, guys. This works extremely well. Now, guys, once you've done this, you want to go to the next step. You can also edit the thank you page here. On the thank you page, I wouldn't recommend giving them the book now. I would recommend saying, hey, go check your emails. The book is in there. And just say, hey, as well. What I'm going to do now, guys, is go next step. Okay, and I'm going to go proceed without mobile versions because we're not going to do that right now. On this page, guys, it's going to be connected to your list. Okay, so what we've got here, guys, is the list. So it's automatically connected to my main list. So it'll be connected to your list that you started, and then take off add into cycle on day. Just leave that, and then confirmed opt-in, I turned mine off, but what that means is when someone gets on your list, it sends them an email saying, are you sure you want to get emails from me, okay? So that's up to you. I have mine off, and then I'm going to go publish, okay, guys? This is very simple to do. Now I'm going to go view landing page online, and this is the landing page, guys, and this is the URL. You can use this URL, you can shorten it if you like to make it look cleaner, but I've just created a page where if someone puts in their name and their email, it's going to go download now, and it should take them to the thank you page just like that, and we now have collected that email and put it on our list. But now I want to move into automation, guys, and how to actually create emails and make an automated income for you. All right, now to go back to the landing page, guys, just click on landing page and it will be listed here, and you can simply go to here and you can view the page, edit the page, and all that sort of good stuff. Super easy to do. Now what you want to do, guys, is do something called automations. What it is, so automation is this here. Go back to here, click on the little cog and play button here. Automation, guys, is awesome. And I'll kind of show you an example of what I mean. So let's go down to one of mine here, guys. Go to edit. Because everything's automatic. So what happens, guys, is I get these people onto my list and I send them these 4 days of training here. And then on the 4th day, I sell them a product. And then I keep going, I sell them more products and more products, so I make back my advertising costs and I make money, right? And it keeps going and keeps going. Now, guys, this is all automatic and it's so easy to do. You can just change things around, you can drag things over. It's really simple to do. So I'm going to show you, first I want to show you how to start this and put a message inside your own automation so you can automate your business and make money. So let's do that, all right? I'm just going to go back. We're going to get out of this, and I'll go back to the other screen. So guys, your first step is to actually create some emails. So I don't know what kind of business you're going to be in, but the first email you're going to create is obviously how to download the free book that you gave them, okay? So make sure you go to automation in here, and then you click on automation messages. Now, in automation messages, guys, you want to go to drafts, okay? Create a draft. Click on create a draft. It's the little blue button on the top right. And link list, that doesn't really matter too much because I just leave it on the main list. Just put the list that you created. The name doesn't matter too much either. And then subject doesn't matter too much. Obviously, what subjects. I would just say, hey, here is your download. Okay, and then go to personalize if you want. Hey, if you put in the name one, it'll put their name that they put inside the form. Okay, and you can also do emojis as well if you like. response. I did forget. I'll show you that in a second. Now go to next step. So you actually won't have an email here. You actually have to put it into get response. You can do that in the settings. I will show you. Now go to next, guys, and you can simply create an email. Now I'm not going to write out a full email, but I will show you how to create an email. And we have lots of templates here, guys, if you're doing e-commerce or stuff like that. But I always just like to go, look, there's lots, guys. Look at all of this stuff here. Lots of templates. But I always like to go start from scratch, go down to the bottom and go to blank template, okay? And I'll show you some tricks on how to stay out of the spam box as well. So on this page, guys, wait for it to load and then drag in a text block, okay? Okay, just like that. Sorry, my bad. And get rid of all of this text, guys, and start to write. So get rid of bold, and I'm going to say, hey, thanks for getting my book. Download it here. And then I'll put click here. And then all you got to do, guys, is highlight this text and go to the chain link on the right here and put in a link to your book. Now, I like to upload mine to Google Drive and then just go to here and then share and then get the code and simply put it into here, okay? And then I'll do that real quick, okay? So Google Drive here, I'm gonna go to share, I'm gonna get the share, copy the link, I'm gonna go back to here, I'm gonna put it in here. Now, this email will automatically get sent out and people can click to download the book, okay? Super, super simple to do. Now, I also would recommend highlighting this stuff, guys, and using the this font down the bottom and doing text size of around about 16, okay? This looks good, feels good, it's a great font to use. You can also bring in image blocks if you like, and you can upload images to your emails. However, I recommend you do not do that because what happens, guys, is images get caught up in the spam, okay? And it's very highly likely that your message will go to spam if you add messages because the email platforms, especially Gmail, see it as spam, okay? So you can add in images, you can add in more text and stuff like that, right? Really, really easy to create an email. Now, a little trick, guys, is to click on plain text at the bottom right and go to HTML to plain and go wrap long lines and click close. This is a little trick that will help you stay out of the spam box when sending out your emails, okay? And then, guys, just go to next, okay? Really simple to do. So we have just created, guys, a opt-in form to collect the emails. Number two, we've just created your first email so people can go and download your product that you're giving away, your free product. So what do we do now, guys? We go back to automation, okay? So automation, we go to create a workflow. Now, don't worry, you can go in and out of your workflow whenever you like, so you can create the first email and then you can just do the rest later and stuff like that. It's really up to you. Once again, they have lots of templates. I recommend don't using them. I recommend starting from scratch. So build from scratch, guys. Now, this can get a little bit technical if you don't know what you're doing online, but I'll help you get through it, okay? You can put your name here. I'll put YouTube test video once again, and then click subscribers. Okay, now it'll say subscribe to any list via any method. Click on this, guys, and then go to properties on the right and go to specific list. Select the list specific and select the list that you created. So whenever somebody signs up to that form that's connected to your list, they're going to be brought into your automatic workflow that I'm creating right now. And then I'm going to go simple, guys, straight away. I don't want to add any delays. I'm going to go where it's send message. So go down to the basic action groups blocks and go to here and put in send message, okay? And go select message to send, click on properties, go to automation, click on draft, and then go down to here and select the message that we just created, okay, which was TTTT, and just click apply here, guys, and that's the message that we did. Now what I'm going to do, guys, so that's going to send out the email saying, hey, download the content. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is add a wait element. And we're going to wait for 1 day. Then what I can do, guys, just pretend that we've created some more emails. I can go and send an affiliate offer. I can send my course, or I can send something else the next day. So send another message, right? And let's just pick one from my list here. Here we go. And then I can do wait another day, okay? Or we can do technical stuff, guys, and I can say, hey, did this person open the message? Or did these people open the message? If they did, I can send them to wait for another day. If they didn't, I can send them the same message again. Let me just do that real quick. Send message. I'm going to send them the same message again. Go to here, go to properties, automation, Lady Boss 2. And to see when I should do it, you click on the message block, guys, go to properties, and it'll have the time. So I'm going to send it to them again in 2 days if they don't open the original message. So you can see how powerful this is, guys. You can literally send people down these long paths to people who want to buy from you, who don't want to buy from you, who are maybe interested or not interested. You can specifically tailor your email marketing to, just open, get creative. Open up your mind and get creative with this, guys. I'll actually show you one of mine in a second where I'm making a good amount of money from that. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you create your workflow, and then just go to save and publish. But I'm just going to, so you save and publish, that will make it live. And whenever someone opts in through the form you created with GetResponse, they're going to come into your workflow, and you can tailor messages and stuff whenever you like. So I'm just going to go to save and exit, guys. And all you got to do is go back into the automation messages, create another draft, and then just go back and edit your flow. So go to here and edit, and you can add that new email that you just created to your flow. Okay, guys? So that's really kind of easy to understand, but it'll take you a little while to get used to. Okay? So we'll connect and set up emails. We've done that. Now I'll just quickly show you how to send a broadcast email if you already have a list, or you want to send out a broadcast to people on your list. I like to separate people in my flow, so you can actually, once they've gone through your flow, you can put them on another list for promotions. So to do that, guys, you just go back to here and you go to email marketing, and you simply go to create newsletter, and you send out a newsletter. It will take you through the same email process of creating an email. Once you create that email, you go to send, and you can pick the list you want to send it to, and then you can send out a promotion email if you like. Dead simple, dead easy to do. So what I've done, guys, is I've taken you through how to find a lead magnet or create one, how to build an opt-in form, and how to connect and set up your emails via workflows. So go back if you don't understand, or it's a little bit hard to understand, go back and go through the steps again, and you'll see how to use this email marketing platform. Guys, I've been doing email marketing for years, and so I used another one called Aweber for like 2 weeks. I didn't like it. I jumped onto GetResponse, and I've been with them ever since. It's an incredible email marketing platform. For e-commerce, I use something else, but for all my other email marketing stuff like affiliate marketing, course sales, I use GetResponse. Okay, so to create a opt-in page, go to landing pages. To start doing automation and workflows, go to automation. You can also do your emails in there. And then to send out an email to people, like just to send out a random email to people, go to email marketing. But do remember that when you have your automation set up, they're going to be getting emails in there as well. Okay, so now what I want to talk about, guys, is kind of sending traffic and how can you make money? Like, how can you build an email list fast? Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you the tricks, okay? First of all, the whole aim of the game, before we get into the traffic sources, is to send traffic to the opt-in forms. This is to the opt-in form, to the thank you page, and then I give them lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an example of one of my flows. And I'll actually show you the flow right now, okay? So let's jump back into here. We're going to go to flows. You see this flow, guys? I've had 14,000 people through this flow. It's doing extremely well, and I'm still in the testing phase. I've still got to actually upscale this. I'm probably going to be doing 100,000 people per year through this. That's the plan. But you see here, guys, so these people come into my flow from different, you can do different traffic sources as well. So this one here is via Facebook. This one here is via Google Ads, right? It's pretty clever stuff. And I go all the way down here, guys. Don't worry about that little line. I'm just testing something. I go all the way down here, guys. And on lesson 4, I make money from an affiliate product, okay? So I get a commission from an affiliate product. But that's not where it ends. I keep going, guys, and I give a little bit of value, a couple of YouTube videos. But then I keep going, guys, and I do, we keep going. This one here, I offer a free webinar training where I also get a commission 50%. And then I keep going down here. This is another one. We get 50% commission. And then keep going down here. This is some more commissions here, and then it ends. I'm actually going to be building this one out that goes for 4 months long, guys. So what you need to understand here is simple. What I'm doing is building out these huge workflows so I can spend $1 and then let's say 2 weeks later, make that back 5 times. I make back $5 and whatever I'm trying to promote. Okay, that's how you build an online business. You pay specific amount of money for a lead. So let's say $1, and let's say a week later it's worth $3 to you. You have 3 times your money, or 2 times, but 3 times really. That's how it works. So what I recommend you do, guys, is I'll take you through a couple of traffic sources and some free traffic sources here. But what I highly recommend you do is solo ads. Solo ads are okay. They're not going to build your list super fast. The traffic's not the best, but it's great for beginners. What solo ads are is you go and pay people and they will promote your opt-in form to their email list, okay? And they're looking for offers as well. Now, this is only good for the Make Money Online niche if you're promoting courses and affiliate offers in the Make Money Online niche. If you're going to be doing something like in fitness and stuff, this doesn't really work. But I will leave a link below where you can check out udemy.com, and these are people you can buy traffic from for your list. Now, the next 2, these are actually what I recommend, is Facebook ads and Google ads, guys. Now, Facebook ads and Google ads are getting quite expensive. However, if you do your workflow right, you should be able to make your money back within a week or 2. And even if you only become even and you don't make a profit, you're building up this massive email list for free that you can then promote stuff forever and ever. My email list I started years ago. I still have people on here that are 4 or 5 years old and still buy products from me today that I offer them. Okay, so Facebook ads and Google ads, guys, are very, they're great. You'll see people right now promoting webinars. They're selling $1,000 courses. They don't care if they make profit, guys, because they're building this huge database of people that they can advertise to. They can build their social media accounts and all of that sort of stuff, okay? So these are my top 3 traffic sources. Solo ads if you don't have much money, Facebook ads and Google ads. Now you might be thinking about, I don't want to pay for ads. Guys, you need to have a good email marketing structure in the back end with a workflow where you're constantly promoting products. You can promote ClickFunnels, you can promote other affiliate marketing things. You can, you guys can figure stuff out, right? It's not hard to kind of figure out how, think outside the box and get creative. So those are the 3 traffic sources I recommend. Now, if you want free traffic sources, guys, blogging and YouTube is a very great way to build up an email list. I know a lot of YouTubers, including myself, who we build up email lists from free traffic from YouTube, and I also do it via blogging. If you have a blog already and you have a YouTube, you need to be collecting leads right now. Not yesterday, right now, so do it after this video.